Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about that today's problem of the day. That's name is check if strings are rotation of each other or not. Okay, so now we have to discuss about that these strings are rotation of each other or not. So we have to move on problem statement. So you have given a two strings of equal length s1 and s2. They are the two strings and their length is equal. Okay, and your task is to check if s2 is rotated version of s1 or not. Okay, and your task is to find that string s2 is a rotated version of s1 or not. Okay, so now we have to move on problem example. So there are the example geeks for geeks and geeks for geeks. Okay, now what you will do, you can be check that this string s1, this is string s1, this is string s1 and this is string s2 are this string s2 is the rotated version of s1. You can be check that. How you can check that? Simply you will you will write you will add this string two times, geeks for geeks plus geeks for geeks. Now and now how what you will do, you will simply check that in this given string, suppose of that this is a new string s3, and into this given string this is the part of a substring. This s2 string is the part of the uh, this is the substring of s3. Suppose s3 dot s2. Okay, this is the part if it is containing, so that's why we can simply say that this is our rotated version of s1. Okay, how you can check that? 4 geeks, this is the given s2, 4 geeks, and we can simply say that 4 geeks from the string one time, and after the adding with geeks, so we can say that this is our substring to find this problem. Okay, so this is our substring into this new string s3, which is adding by the two times of this geeks for geeks. Okay, so that's why we can simply say that s2 is the rotated version of s1, so that's why we will return true, which is 1. Okay, now we have to move on another example, which is might and magic. Okay, so now in might and magic and magic and myth, MIGTH, so that's why this is not a valid substring of valid rotated version of this. Okay, so that's why we how we can check that, we will simply add another by two times might and magic plus might and magic, but they are the wrong spelling of this might. Okay, so that's why we cannot be find of any of the substring of this string, so that's why we can say that this is not our valid rotated version of s1. Okay, so we will return 0. This is not a valid substring. So now we have to move on coding statement. So this is a very simple coding statement. We will simply add s1 plus s1 two times. Okay, and then find that another string s2 if it is not equal to npos. What does it means? What does it means? It means of that this substring is not find. Npos means of that length will be not find, means of that first index of this current string. Suppose of that this is index 0, this is index 1, this is index 2, this is index 3, this is index 4, and this is index 5. So that's why this return 5. So it is, and in this string this is not return anything, so that's why we will not return any length, so that's why we will return false. Other, if it is contained, then it will be return any number. If it is not contained, so it will return -1. Okay, I hope it would be clear to you what is the problem statement, what is the coding into the C++, and here the solution of Java. Nothing will change. If it is containing of s2, then we will return return true, otherwise return false. Okay, I hope it would be clear to you. If you have any doubts, so please comment on my channel. Please like my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.